Can we save water in our homes and businesses? Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist, and we're talking about save energy, save money. Today, we're talking about saving water in your home and business. Most of the time, this will be in your kitchen or bathroom, but we can also save a lot of water if we're watering plants in the garden. How many of you know that you have a water brick in each of your toilet cisterns? Most cisterns, if installed after 1993, hold approximately 7.5 litres of water, but they don't actually need all of this water to flush correctly. If you add a water brick, or another name is a toilet hippo, this can reduce the water to approximately 4.5 litres, so nearly half of your normal usage for every flush. Or, if we look at the average shower, it uses approximately 12 litres of water per minute. So if you have a 10-minute shower, this will cost you approximately £1.20. But then you also have to add the amount of heating the water on top of that. If you have multiple kids or teenagers in your home, this will soon accumulate, and your water and heating costs each month will be expensive. So try to show them the cost of leaving the shower running for half an hour. Maybe you need to tell them it will come out of their pockets if they leave the shower running. So now let's move on to watering plants in your garden. It can use a lot of water, especially if you're using a sprinkler system. One option is to install water butts to capture rainwater from your roof. And another option, if you're thinking of using a sprinkler system, why not change that slightly and use a drip feed system, which will drip water directly onto the root ball of the plant. This means there is less water waste due to evaporation or runoff. And a drip feed system can use 60% less water, but because it is directed at the individual plant, fruit yields should also increase. Water is becoming a lot more expensive, and if our summers are becoming drier, then we will all struggle when the reservoir runs dry. So why not use less water throughout the year, and hopefully we will all have enough water during long, dry summers. If you want to talk more, email me on the email below at energyevangelist@energypricesaver.com. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.